Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Jai Hind to all of you. So when I say Jai Hind, इतने जोर से आवाज आना चाहिए ना, पूरा हिलना चाहिए. Jai Hind to everyone. Amazing. अब मैं कुछ बोलूँगा, please repeat with me, and I'll take you through that. Experience. The experience of experiencing an experience. So the quote goes, experience the experience of experiencing an experience. Isn't it beautiful? And that is what my life, and I'm going to tell you my life story. Probably it will inspire many of you. And I'm just a medium here. You know, I'm not an hero, nothing. I'm just a medium who represents many generations here, so that each one of you can see yourself in me. Illumination. I'm going to narrate the story of my mother, Mrs. Devaki Nair. And she's the illumination for what I am today, what my siblings are today. I was born and brought up in a slum. When you say slum, slum matlab, my house where I was born and brought up was 150 square feet. This was the area where I was born and brought up. And today it's a TED platform. My mother, Meri Ma, she was married when she was 14 years old. And I was born when she was 16 years old. So if you see her photo, she resembles my mother. I am 48 years old. Next 10 days, I would be celebrating my 48. And that's the beauty of mother. And that's where we are. So born in a slum, my father was a taxi driver. And, you know, the biggest thing, the biggest learning what I learned from my mother was she was a good student, but married earlier. She couldn't continue her education after 6th standard. And my father is a 6th standard. So both of them are educated only till 6th standard, but that didn't allow them from, you know, deterring us to study. So all three of us, three brothers, born in a slum, all of us are engineers and MBAs. Thanks to them. So growing in a slum was very, very difficult. You know how life goes. The biggest revelation now, my chacha was a gangster. So when you say gangster, matlab udana. So he was staying with us. Again, an engineering graduate. So my chacha was a gangster and a very famous one in Mumbai. So growing up, my ambition was to be a gangster, to be very frank. I loved gun. I've seen guns at homes. I've seen police at home because my father was a union leader later. There comes the role of my mother. When my father and my chacha was not available, once when the police came home, and being the eldest, they wanted someone to come to police station. And she stood strong saying, no, you can't take him. I was in 9th standard, saying that his career will get spoiled. She shielded, she protected. Thanks to her, what I am today, police didn't take me that day. Even if they had taken, there would have been some record. And that is why we are here, ladies and gentlemen. That's the beautiful story. Growing up, as I said, my ambition was seeing guns, hockey sticks, talwars, and at all home. And I wanted a career in gun. Fauj join kiya, you know. Growing up was tough. When I was growing up, probably in 9th standard, there came a beautiful television series called Fauji. Shah Rukh Khan, he did a good job, right? So that motivated me to join army. And the problem with our generation was we were not having internet, we were not having information. The problem with your generation is you are information overloaded. So both of us are in same boat, you know. So when I wanted to know how to join the armed forces, the NDA and other thing, there was nobody to guide us. So one fine day, we bunked school, we went to one of my friend's uncle's place, और वो दोस्त बोला, I don't know, there is a guy who come on leave, सफेद कपड़ा पहनता है, probably Navy में होगा, so you come and meet. So when I went and met him, that was the life changer. I believe in God. I believe in a superpower. I always believe that there is a superpower in my life. The person turned out to be a naval officer. And he directed how to join the armed forces. So I came back. I gave the NDA exam, National Defense Academy exam. बहुत tough होता है because I come from a small school, छोटा सा English medium school, where even conversing in English, पीछे से सब लोग ताली बजाते हैं, अरे अंग्रेज आ गया, you know. That was the school. So ladies and gentlemen, your background doesn't matter. It is the person who you are matter. So when I gave my NDA exam, I cleared NDA exam. Very unusual for a slum kid to clear. When I went there, SSB, 5 days of interview, I saw all the people from all background, sons of colonels, generals, admirals, and I was here in one single pant and 2 pairs of shirt. और OP shoes होता था black color का, सुबह उसको पोंछ लिए तो uniform school का, शाम को पोंछ लिए तो dress, you know, that was my life. So when I went there, on the 5th day, when the results were announced, out of the 5 candidates chosen, I was the 4th one. Without knowing proper English, you know, but I managed. So life always have ups and downs. सपनों का टूटना आपने सुना होगा, सपनों का जिसको टूटना बोलते हैं ना, it happened in the next 5 days in the SSB. Next 5 days is medical. On the 4th day, I believe even today I don't wear a specs. On the 4th day, I was told that I am unfit to join NDA because of my eyes. There is a 6x6 issue. Even today, I don't know what is that issue. And I was not selected. Everything crashed. Everything crashed. The dream which I saw crashed. So the next thing was, I had decent marks in PCM. I went on to do, I told my father that I want to do engineering. You know, engineering those days, free seat was 4,000 rupees and we couldn't afford. And I was crying. There came a trust. That is why I believe in Rotaries and road tracks and the Lion Club. They said, we will sponsor your education. So I'm a sponsored candidate. Thanks to those trusts, I'm a sponsored candidate. Last 20 years, I've been sponsoring every year 5 students from the same trust. That's the circle of life. So when I went to engineering, as most of you are engineers, all of you are engineers, life was not easy. I am an average, just below average, but hard-working student. So my engineering experience was not that great. We had 4 years. First semester, I got, out of 8 papers, I got 5 backlogs. Second semester, out of 8 papers, I got 5 backlogs. I'm not encouraging to have backlogs. Third semester, again, Bombay University is very helpful. They allow you to carry on, you know. Third semester, I had 3 backlogs. Fourth semester, I had 3 backlogs. 16 backlogs. Everything changed in the 3rd year when there was an advertisement which said, join Indian Navy as a tech officer, but you need to have first class in the last 2 years. That is what is the power of goals. Everything changed for me. I cleared 5th semester with 16 backlogs and a first class, 61%. 7th semester, 63, 6th semester 63, 768, and last semester I topped the college because of that one goal to appear for Navy again. So I became an engineer, you know, a decent one though. And when I went for SSB again, I appeared for Navy. I cleared the Navy exams. Medical, again, same problem with eyes. And the officer was a wing commander in Air Force, medical officer. He said, "You are a border case. Clear kar do kya karke?" I was like, "Sastanga dandavat." इसी के लिए आए थे, sir. It was a border case. Ladies and gentlemen, I was All India ranked 4 in the merit. Throughout this journey, that one woman who supported me was my mother, always taking ki ho jayega, ho jayega, ho jayega. Joining Navy was tough, and trainings are tough. All of you know, like how it goes. And when we went to academy, life was different. Life was different. Engineering college, 4th year, general secretary of the college. College used to start at 9 o'clock. From the hostel, we used to wake up at 11 o'clock in the morning. And Navy ka first day was 0430 hands call. 4:30 बजे तो कभी सूरज देखे नहीं थे लाइफ में. 4:30 in the morning, and life changed. Life changed. You had punishment for each and everything. क्या हो रहा है लाइफ में पता नहीं चल रहा था. But it was a great experience, and thanks to Navy, I am what I am. It's the beautiful institution which carved many of the youngsters like me, So after passing, when on the, towards the end of Navy, this is beautiful. There is something called passing out parade. Passing out parade is the most beautiful thing to happen in anybody's life. And for that, my young friends, for that moment, join the armed forces. You can buy, Ambani can buy a Mumbai Indians. Ambani can buy a Sachin Tendulkar. RCB can buy a Virat Kohli. You can buy a Rohit Sharma. But if Ambani desires that he want to buy that moment for his son Akash, he will never be able to buy that moment, because that moment has to be earned. Right? What happens in a passing out parade is, there is a bugle, there is a band, and there is a song called All Land Sang, which plays. Dheere dheere bajta hai and you pass out. Dheere, it's called slow march. Up slow march mein you pass out. Imagine two people with a sword passing out. There is a chopper which is flying up. Visualize that thing. And they are showering flowers on you. And you are crossing the Antim Pag. When you cross the Antim Pag, you stand, you cry. Each one of us cry. And when you go and stand on the other side, your mother stands on the left, father on the right. Why mother stand on the left? Because she's closer to heart. Why? I am a father to 18 years old. Father को कोई पूछता नहीं है तो side पे जाओ, है ना? Nothing like that. But that moment, we take an oath. We take an oath for our motherland. And that oath is, बहुत लोग को misnomer होता है. People say, मर मिटेंगे देश के लिए. क्या बोलते हैं? It's not मर मिटेंगे. It's मार मिटेंगे. मरना is incidental. Marna is incidental. So we take that oath, and that's how I wore my uniform. And my first posting, ladies and gentlemen, before I could get my first full salary, though Fauj mein salary we don't care for that. Before I got my first full salary, my father used to earn 3,000 a month, and my first salary was supposed to be 40,000. But uske pehle, when I was drawing stipend, I was told all my sub-courses are cancelled. You are going for a war. And that was Kargil War, 1999. Navy participated as Operation Talwar. At the age of 22 years old, the first emotion which comes, क्या है पहला emotion war में जाने का? Movie में बोलते हैं ना, अरे मारेंगे पाकिस्तान, चाइना, जो भी हो. ऐसे कुछ नहीं होता है. First emotion is fear. We are human beings. And my fear was, यार अभी तो स्लम से उठ के यहाँ आए थे और मैं मर जाऊंगा तो कैसे होगा करके, you know. That was the first emotion. Again, my mother played that part when I told her ऐसे war में जाने वाला है. She was absolutely okay. She said, for that day, people wear uniform. If anything happens to you, you have 2 more brothers. Don't worry. तेरा photo लगा के हार चढ़ा देंगे. You know, that's mother. So I went to war, Operation Talwar. We were closer to Karachi, just 36 nautical miles. Captain Vikram Batra, 6 months senior to me. Anuj, 6 months senior. Lieutenant Saurabh Kalia, my batchmate. We all were from the same era, 22 years old. So ladies and gentlemen, Kargil War or Operation Vijay was won by average 23 years old. 23 years old. When the 23 years old are busy making reels and TikToks outside, this were the 23 years old who won 4 Paramveer Chakras. 4 Paramveer Chakras. Many Mahavir Chakras. One day, it was just one day short where we were about to attack Karachi. Karachi would have been in biscuits and bakeries. But war is not good. All of us know we don't want for a war. But बोलते हैं ना कि हम शांत बहुत है, but छेड़ दिए तो उतना ही आक्रोश दिखा देंगे करके. That is the Indian Armed Forces for you. And that's a beautiful life I had. I served for 10 years in the Navy proudly. I did my further studies, post-graduation, MBA. मुझे लगा था 10वीं के बाद पढ़ाई खत्म हो जाता है frankly, और नेवी में जाने के बाद बहुत पढ़ाई की है. So the first medal you see, the star one, is the Kargil War medal, and this medal will only be separated from me 2 occasions. Being an Hindu, when I go on a funeral pyre, ये मेरे साथ मेरे ऊपर होगा, और हमारा profession is the only profession where you get that privilege. जब मैं मरूंगा तो तिरंगा होगा मुझ पर, और ये होगा. So my daughter will continue with this legacy of keeping this medal, and that's a privilege. That's a privilege. So today, after 10 years, I came out of Navy, a beautiful life. I've got, incidentally, 2 women played pivotal role in my life, my mother and my girlfriend of my engineering college, who's my wife now. And this, incidentally, is my sasural. Kundapur is my sasural. So I speak on. So that's my life. That's a beautiful journey I had. And the youngster who never knew English, I'm the author of 8 English books, you know. That's the beautiful thing. I still remember in 12th standard struggling to find the English word. There was this beautiful girl whom you had to give on the rose day, the rose in the college, and you have to say something like. And my brother-in-law, who's my engineering classmate, he was sitting next to me. He said, "Ja, ladki ko de de full." And I went, and incidentally, I married his sister only later. So I went and gave that flower to that beautiful girl. I still remember her face. Hope my wife won't listen this. I told her, look at this. I told her, aise hoke na, you look handsome. That was my English, ladies and gentlemen. And today I am here, author of 8 English books, and I'm a distance runner. I represented India in the contingent for ultra distance, 90 kilometer in South Africa this Jan at the age of 47. That's what life is. मेरे जैसा एक बंदा यहाँ तक पहुँच सकता है. आपके हाथ में तो ये पूरा जहान है. You all are beautiful people. To end my talk, as Shah Rukh Khan says, किसी चीज को आप शिद्दत से पाओ तो सारी कायनात एक हो जाती है उसे पूरा करने. जय हिंद.